The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) has announced that new ZIG banknotes will begin circulating on April 7, 2026 as part of measures to modernize the country's currency system. Salabenda mashoko mdanyo kwa pango na chinzi RBZ unveils new ZIG notes. Yoruba subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina muna umzi mdanyo kwa mchinzi. Presenting the 2026 monetary policy statement on Friday, RBZ Governor John Mushavano confirmed that the new series will include 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200 ZIG denominations. The notes will feature images of Zimbabwe's big five animals and will circulate alongside the existing ZIG notes. In quotes, new ZIG notes will start circulating on April 7 and will circulate alongside existing notes as part of ongoing currency modernization efforts, Mushavano said. The governor also addressed concerns from the market regarding reserve requirements imposed on commercial banks. He explained that the central bank introduced a two-tier reserve requirement framework to incentivize deposit mobilization and improve liquidity management within the banking sector. Mushavano said the structure was designed to strengthen financial stability while encouraging banks to grow their deposit base. In addition, the central bank announced immediate changes to the regulation of nano loans. With immediate effect, all these nano loans must be underwritten by a commercial bank, the central bank directed. The monetary policy statement outlined broader policy measurements aimed at stabilizing the ZIG currency, enhancing confidence in the financial system, and reinforcing oversight within the lending sector. Doma developments aripo pangwa ino tiona kuti RBZ inobudisa mamwe mazig notes matsva. Pina comment section medu zafungira aimba tukulipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.